Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very healthy recipe, which is a Kovakai Poriyal. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started and let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. Okay, I've taken about half a kg of Kovakai, which is a Scarlet Gourd. It looks like a small cucumber. So let's wash it and cut it and keep it aside. Let's take one large onion and cut it into small pieces. Take some curry leaves. We need about half a coconut. We need about 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. We also need about half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of urad dal. So now that the ingredients are ready, let's get started and see how to prepare this recipe. Now let's take a pan. Into the pan, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the normal vegetable oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urad dal. Now add about half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. This gives a nice flavor to the recipe. Now let's add the chopped onions and also the curry leaves and stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes till the onions becomes nice and translucent. At this stage, let's add the chopped Scarlet Gourd or the Kovakai. We need not cut the Kovakai into thin slices. Medium sized pieces would be more than sufficient. Mix everything together thoroughly. Now at this stage, let's add the coriander powder. Today I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Now mix everything together and stir fry it for another 10 minutes. Now let's add sufficient salt. Add salt according to your taste and mix everything together. Now let's close the pan with a lid and allow it to cook in low flame. Now it has been cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check the vegetable. Now you can see that the Kovakai is parboiled. So let's add about 1/4 cup of water. This helps the vegetable to cook fast. Now you can see that it is parboiled. So let's close the pan again and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. It has been cooking for 10 minutes. Let's check the vegetable. You can see that Kovakai is well cooked and nice and soft. So at this stage, let's check the seasoning. And finally, let's add the grated coconut. Today I've taken about half a coconut, which is freshly grated. Sprinkle it on top of the vegetable and give it a quick stir. So that's it, friends. A delicious Kovakai Poriyal is absolutely ready. This goes very well with the lunchbox recipes, with any variety rice, or even with curd rice or rasam rice. This Kovakkai is very good for diabetic patients and also for kids. So now you can see that our Poriyal is absolutely ready. Let's switch off the flame and serve it hot. So that's it, friends. Our delicious Kovakai Poriyal is absolutely ready. It's very good for diabetic patients and also for kids. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you like this video, do subscribe to Fabulous Chef. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.